Hello, today I'm going to introduce you to the Phonak TV Connector, sort of an unboxing video. Let's see what does it look like, what's in the box. So here it is. It comes with a UK power supply. It's, as a lot of things now, it's a USB-C. Comes with a paper instruction guide, although a lot of people prefer reading it online, but paper guide is still useful for a good consult. Here's the TV connector box itself. Comes with an outer sleeve, and then inside, let's see what we've got. So this is the actual TV connector itself. It happens to be plugged into the optical output, but we'll explain more of that in a sec. So let's unplug that and let's see what else we've got. So in here we've got an optical lead. Under here we've got a bit more of a user guide. What else have we got in here? Oh, these are exciting. So we've got a 3.5mm plug-to-plug lead and a USB-C to USB-A charging lead. This is what we have inside the TV connector box. We have a UK power supply, which is a USB-A. We have a charge lead. The charge lead actually is USB-A to a micro USB, which is what's on the TV connector. We have a 3.5mm plug-to-plug lead, and we have here an optical connecting lead. So with this product, you need the power supply, and to connect the power supply, it's ever so easy. Take that. On the side of the unit is a micro USB, a line between the two, plug it in. So that's that. Some TVs actually have got a USB socket on it that you can use, so you might not need to use the actual UK power supply. If there is a socket on your TV, that can actually power the unit. Now to use it, you have got a couple of connection options, and basically the socket's there on the back. Okay, around the side we've got some controls on the front. Your connection options are 3.5mm, you can plug it into a headphone socket, or any 3.5mm output from any audio product. But for televisions nowadays, the usual connection is by using an optical outlet. So what we have here is this end will plug into the TV connector, and this is a toss link that will plug into the back of your unit. Now the unit can be either the television itself, but most people nowadays have got an added unit. So you might have a Sky box, or at home I've got a Virgin Media box, and that media box goes into a sound system. So what you can do is that you can plug into your existing sound system. If your existing sound system doesn't have an output, no problem, go to the Con Evans website and we can help you with digital splitters. But at the end of the day, it's actually very easy to connect up. A lot of people use their grandchildren or sons and daughters. But if you need help, we're here at the end of the phone and we'll happily sit and talk with you and help you get your Phonak TV connector going. Well, I hope you found that video interesting. Thanks for watching, and can we please ask you, hit all the buttons for us. Go on, that will encourage us to do some more videos.